alright, no be say I dey use prepaid meter, I dey use prepaid meter. Your prepaid meter dey overbill you, or your prepaid meter na wetin you use e dey charge you. You know why I dey talk like this now? Some of una dey wonder why I dey talk like this. You understand? Now, come this side, come this, I show you something. If you look for this side of town, you know this side, you know this area. You see this area now? Most of the house wey dey here, most of the house wey dey na prepaid meter dey use. You understand? Many people now dey use prepaid meter, but the problem wey prepaid meter get, now I wan tell you. You no know, you no know. If you know, you know. After I tell you finish now, you don't know. You go tell other people to by sharing this video now. If you use prepaid meter, if you don't know, prepaid meter go dey overbill you. Sometimes you go say na 5,000 after how you dey. Sometimes na 5,000 how you use, but you go end up dey pay 10,000. So if I don't know how to calculate on a prepaid meter, you understand me now? Most of us know to get this knowledge for it Nigeria, but open your eye besides you go know say your prepaid meter anything you use na im dey charge you. Most times when your prepaid meter dey overbill you, no be you dey cause am. You understand? The people dem wey come connect am for you na dey cause am. Why I talk like this now? Why I talk like this? Get the point clear. How prepaid meter dey bill you? How prepaid meter dey take bill you when you don use am? How e dey take bill you? You know say that prepaid meter na automatically dey bill you. Now, e dey take two ways dey carry dey bill you. One, e dey use your light dey bill you, and your neutral dey bill you. That is, the current wey pass through the light, the life, and the current wey come through the neutral. Now the prepaid meter dey calculate carry dey bill you. You dey get where I dey go abi? Now if now you dey use prepaid meter for your house, sometimes you go notice say when you load money for your prepaid meter, you get the point. You never use anything, your prepaid meter don finish, the money don finish inside, your card don finish. Wetin dey cost that one? Na one simple thing, and I go tell you now. If you want to use prepaid meter well, if you want to use prepaid meter, make your prepaid meter no give you headache, make you no get problem. Simple thing wey you go do: your life and your neutral collect am from pole. You dey hear me? Your life and you tell your electrician, if right now you dey use prepaid meter for your compound and una dey share wire far no share wire do prepaid meter. Man no share life, man no share neutral. If you dey share neutral, most importantly, if you dey share neutral with your neighbor, if you dey use prepaid meter and you dey share neutral with your neighbor, bro, na wetin your neighbor use na dem dey charge you. Make you know now. Anything your neighbor, your neighbor no dey pay bill. You no understand? You know, you understand I tell you. If you know say you dey use prepaid meter, as I dey talk now, I dey first dey talk am because for place where I dey say they always get this call, I always tell them they don't understand. If you know say they use prepaid meter, carry your wire, your neutral and your life, connect am for pole. No share neutral with anybody. No share neutral because the prepaid meter go calculate the life wey comot for im body and the neutral wey enter inside im body. So when they calculate the neutral wey enter inside im body, im go calculate the neutral say your neighbor own wey im don use, im go calculate am join im body. Before you go know na you go dey pay your own and your neighbor own. You no understand? Your neighbor go still dey pay im own normally o. Your neighbor go dey pay im own normally, but you go dey pay your own and that your neighbor use. Like for example now, your neighbor use 5,000 naira light and now you use 2,000 naira light. Your neighbor dey have 5,000 naira light wey you use, he go pay for that 5,000 naira light, but you go pay 7,000 naira because you go pay your own and your neighbor own. Why? Because you and your neighbor dey share one neutral. You get me? Na the secret be that. So anywhere where you dey, anybody dey get prepaid meter problem, just tell am say carry your meter, your life and your neutral, connect am for pole. No share with anybody. If you go company dey share life and neutral, no gree. Connect your own separate because you dey pay money for light. You no come go pay for light wey you no use.